Yuki! Hello, guys! How was your challenge? Conseguiram fazer o desenho da família? Espero que sim. Today, we're going to do something different on our book. We're going to learn about some sounds. Let's open our book. Everybody, open your book, page 22. Página 22, page 22. So, look, we have some boys and girls doing different activities. First of all, there is a girl. What is she holding? She's holding a cake. Delicious. This girl is big. And this other girl with the balloon, she is small. She is small. What about this boy in the car? He is big. And what about this boy with the teddy bear? He is small, right? So, big sister, big brother. Okay? Let's listen. And then with our finger, we're going to point.
Unit 3, My Family. Lesson 3, page 22. Listen and point.
Hi, big sister. What's that? Hi! It's a big cake. Hi, little sister. What's that? Hi! It's a balloon. I love my little sister. I love my big sister. Hi, big brother. What's that?
Hi, it's a big car. Hi, little brother. What's that?
Hi, it's a rabbit.
I love my little brother.
I love my big brother.
Okay, so pay attention on something. Miss Mendonça falou que essa girl e esse boy é small. Que quando a criança é pequena ou quando o objeto é pequeno, podemos falar small. Mas no caso de sister, irmã, brother, irmão, nós dizemos little. Okay? So let's repeat one more time. Big sister, little sister. Big brother, little brother. Okay? Great. Now let's listen to a song so we can learn a new sound.
Unit 3, My Family. Phonological awareness. Chant. Candles on a cake. For K.
Candles on a cake. Candles on a cake. 1, 2, 3, 4. Candles on a cake. Candles. Cake. Candles on a cake. Candles on a cake. 1, 2, 3, 4. Candles on a cake. Candles. Cake. Candles on a cake. Candles on a cake. 1, 2, 3, 4. Candles on a cake. Candles. cake. Candles on a cake. Candles on a cake. 1, 2, 3, 4 candles on a cake. Candles. Cake.
So we learned the sound of cake, candles. Okay? Just to finish up, let's join the big sister with the little sister. And join big brother with the little brother. Okay? Now, what we are going to do? On a piece of paper, uma folha branca parecida com a minha, you are going to draw a big letter K. Opa. Big letter K. K. Like this, okay? And then you are going to draw, vou deixar para cá para ficar melhor. You're going to draw a cake. Não reparem nos desenhos. Então aqui, cake with 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. Ok? Pode colorir. You can color the cake with brown. You can color with any colors you want. Okay? And then you can decorate the letter K with ribbon or string. Você pode decorar com fitilho, barbante, fio, o que você tiver na sua casa. Tudo bem? Não esquece de colocar o seu nomezinho nas atividades, tá joia? Então, write your name e a data de hoje, ok? Bye bye. I hope you had fun. I hope you learned the sound of K. Okay? Bye bye and see you in the next class.